What is a hacker? A hacker is a person who tries to access an account in a computer without permission. Types of hackers. Hackers are classified in the following types. Number 1. White hat hackers or ethical hackers. They are hackers that help organizations to find and fix security weaknesses. They work legally with permission and often hired by companies or governments. Example, penetration testers and cybersecurity experts. Number 2, black hat hackers or malicious hackers. They are hackers that steal data, cause damage, or make money illegally. They work illegally without permission. They often involved in cyber crimes like hacking banks, spreading malware, and much more. Black hat hackers break laws and cause harm. Number 3, gray hat hackers. They are hackers that mix both white and black hat activities. They may hack without permissions, but not with bad intention. Ethically, they may be questionable, but not always harmful. Number 4, script kiddies. They are hackers that use pre-made hacking tools without real knowledge. Usually, they do it for fun or attention. They are amateurs, but they can still cause troubles. Number 5, hacktivists. They are hackers that hacking for political, social, or ideological causes. Example, Anonymous, a well-known hacktivist group. They are activists using hacking for change. Number 6, green hat hackers. They are hackers that are new and learning for hacking. They are eager to grow skills and become ethical or professional hackers. They are the beginners who want to learn more. Number 7, blue hat hackers. Sometimes referred to the hackers hired to test systems before launch, like ethical testers, or revenge hackers who hack out of anger or personal reasons. They can be good or bad depending on situations. Thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, make sure to give it a like and subscribe for more content on digital safety and tech tips like this.